Right, what we got here, as we all know, is my old tile cutter. Well, the thing of this, you used to slide up and down there quite nicely. So I was thinking, can I convert that? Put the shaft of this onto that to push that back and forth like that. So we got to strip it down because we don't want it that long. I only want it 9 inches maybe here. 9 inches. You lucky bastard. Right, get all out of your way. We need a doodly. That's not a doodly, but fuck me, you look good. Looked like I knew what I was doing for a minute or two. Right. Now for me to stick that in there and unscrew that would be about 1,000,000,000 to 1. Oh, good God. I take it back. Do 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 do. Ah, she's down. Bip. Bip bip. I don't start throwing things yet, Rob. I haven't even started a video and I'm fucking throwing things. So these obviously are pushed into there because there's nothing holding them in. So it's purely by length. Length. Do 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 do. What's this, man? Fucking hell, breathe in, Rob, for fuck's sake. You're scaring the women. I like bending down for a bit of exercise. I could look on a spanner and say, oh, that's a 10, but how long have I got? Right, so what I just undid had nothing to do with what we wanted to undo, because we wanted to undo this bit. So I undid the wrong bit anyway. I'm hoping that comes off, which it did. I'm hoping that comes out of there, hoping that comes out of there. So all we're left with now is 2. Well, I'll look at that. And 1. So let's try the old fashioned there. As quick as it fucking used to be. Yeah. Right. Because in there used to be one of these. I dare say that might even be it, look. So, ooh. What it really needs. I'll tell you what you really need. I'll tell you what you really need. I wanna stick a zig down. I'm gonna be little. Come up quite well, doesn't it? Doesn't it? So we got up that slides through there. If that slides through there, oh look at that. Let's go in there. We know that we're putting a swing arm there, so it's going to be what I was just thinking is that to that. How's about that? Nice platform. Aha, yeah, that's okay. Keep going a minute. Don't give up on me, baby. So that would be better there. Could I go through there like that? That needs to be lower. So there's one other alternative here. turn the fucking thing upside down. Now can we somehow get that on good terms? By the time I cut that. No, it's not going to be any good because it's got to go right under. You're going to have to cut it. Young man, you're going to have to cut it. So I'd like to weld down on there like that, as far as we can get down there like that. Somewhere in the mess of my brain, it could work. If we can get a good weld on there, and then a good weld on every fucking thing else. So I'm going for that for a minute. So we're saying we want that at least there. So these are now going in there after we cut that out, because that's going to hit that. So we need to get rid of this junk on the bottom. I'm hoping that still goes in there. I'm hoping that still goes in. I'm hoping that still goes on there. The rants and raving of a woman my age, Ruby Ariel. Looking at that, we might have to cut that off completely. Does that fall like a plan? Yeah, I can live with that. If the boys say yes, I'm going with them, you see. This has got to be in line with that wheel. I'll show you why after. So chop that off, weld, weld. And I'm thinking of that literally there, like that. So I think 3 tacks for now. Rather than go mad and weld the thing completely solid that we can't. We can't do anything with. So we're at that stage. I want this gone. You know, this is the part we all love, because it's not going to just fall together even if you sit there and think about it for 20 minutes. So what we got is a drill with a flat battery, of course. I want that to go in there like that, but I think them holes were seriously wrong. And looking at them, Rob, them holes are fucking right out. Not even one. You drunken git. That one needs to go that way. That one needs to go that way. What a fucking bum wrapper. Okay, I'm happy with that. I will go over here. So I'm going to leave that long, purely for fun and games. We want to go by there for the bedding, swinging arm, come whatever you want to call it. Right, so we got a hood there, we got a hole there now. So we want to, we do, honest, we want to just give it a purpose in life. I'm leaving them 2 there rather than cut off. It's just as, more or less, it's going to be like a counterbalance sort of thingy type thing. So we open that goes through there, like that. Okay. Now we're gonna hope we can find another one. So that's gotta go through there. If that goes through there, we're on a bonus. Let's see if I can help it a bit. Okay. Now on here should be an allergy where it fits. Okay. That is a 13 if I've ever seen one. It is. Now can I just wind that on and lock it off. So by adding an inch on there is obviously then giving you an extra 2-inch throw, because you got an inch pulling and then you've got an inch pushing, so that's giving you 2 inches altogether. Now that is got to go on there with several fucking thousand nuts. You see how my hand instantly went, even though I know it's hot, my hand still went there. That's called being a fucking idiot. That's what that's called. Right, that should go in there now. And I should miss everything. So that works fantabulous. I've got a plan, I've always got a plan. My head works strangely. That could be moved down that way a little bit, right? Agreed? That one, that is quite nice there. If we can get that there, put that tenner in there, then it's just now a matter of linking A to B. E thinks. Remember what I said about only tacking them on? This is why. This is why. We're going to move that back to there. So that then is giving us plenty of clearance. Use that for straightness. Because it's got to be straight with this, you know what I mean? You're not keeping your eye out for me. Are you mad at me? I go with that. Can I get there? No, I can't. Get down there. That one about there. So the bar we gotta have on here, what we're gonna want is like a bearing to go on there, but we can wait for that. I'm gonna try, just try, to weld that nut on there without burning myself. So that'll be a one-off. So let's try and bow it. It's another bit so bad, huh? It's another so good. Ha! Shut up in your face. I'm lucky that was cold, wasn't it? Probably have a bearing in at a later date. But that's going to go in there like that. See the bend I put on it? It's got to miss that. It's got to miss that there. We need it all there desperately. Right, don't forget now. This is just for demo purposes. We'll give it a go. If it works, I'm going to call it a night. I'm going to get out of this without electrocuting my fucking self today. That's going to go in there. That goes in there to hold the motor down. It's not plugged in, it's alright. Now you're saying, why the hell do you put that in there? Well, I put that in there so I can pull these wires fucking tight and choke the fuckers. I should lock them in there like that, out the tucking way. I can't see why that goes tight sometimes, but I'll just put a bit of grease on you for now, and we can get somebody and clean it tomorrow. We're now plugging it in. Oh, the camera's not even in sight. Right there, cameraman. By pressing this now, that should want to go round. Give that a bit more sloppiness. So the slap noises, that's giving a bit of slap, and then you've got the bed in there obviously, which is not a bed in there yet. So give us a fag. If that motor don't hold out, it doesn't matter, because it's not warm and I've had it running quite a while. So that don't matter, because we can just nip, 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 take that off and put any motor you want in there. You could even put that in there, like, you know what I mean? Make a cage for that, but you'd want something really with a trigger control. You know, God, too much sex. So there it is. Thank you very much. I'm gonna have to do a part 3 because it's getting dark. It's not dark, it's neighbours. You've got to worry about your neighbours. We've got to drill holes in there now, and then we're going to connect. We're going to connect to that plate there. See you part 3.